Alright, so in a minute here, I'm going to fire up my new rig. I just built this. It's pretty neat actually. I'm going to first fire it up with the lights off so you can see all the bells and whistles. I got a few LEDs in it. Then I'm going to turn the light on. You can see the actual case, which is just gorgeous on the inside. So here we go. Got a nice size blue LED fan in the front here. That didn't want to spin there for a second. That kind of concerns me. The back fan synced up, so that's pretty cool. Normally, when I take videos, the light on the iPhone comes on, but it's not. So, I mean, it's just a massive case. I mean, I would say the case in height is 2 feet from the ground, and it's also 2 feet from front to back. As you can see, a lot of different little storages on the front that you can put a bunch of little different drives. I got a few nice drives in front here. Also have an audio, which is pretty nice. I can literally plug a guitar into this computer and just play out. So I mean, it's pretty neat. Also, I mean, look at this damn motherboard. This right here is the heat sink. This heat sink is actually cooled by liquid nitrogen. It's, I don't know if you can see those copper tubes right there. They're actually welded off, like torqued shut. It's actually filled with liquid. You can literally feel it. It's ice. It's ice cold to the touch. And then that's one of the heat sinks right there. Another matching heat sink up top. It's also got a little one back there, that little orange piece sticking out. That's another heat sink. I mean, it's just, it's a massive, it's nice. Look at this. All of these are slots for hard drives. Every single one of those you see is a different slot for a hard drive. So I mean, literally, if I wanted to, I can build this into a server. It's got a pretty nice power supply on it, 600 and something watts. Powers everything nicely. It's pretty cool. It stays pretty cool. I mean, it's my new rig. Pretty badass.